Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can get 2FA on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your game library. So right here, you're gonna find all of the applications and games that you have. Right here, you're gonna find in the top all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, and here you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, I'm gonna click on settings, and then once you're here in settings, you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, and so on. Go ahead and click on users and accounts, and then you're gonna be here in this page. Once you're here, go ahead and click on accounts, and then here you're gonna find sign in ID. From here you can change your email address. You're gonna find security, profile, payments and subscriptions, address, and lastly communication preferences. So right now I'm gonna click on security, and then once you click on security, as you can see guys, right here you're gonna find sign in with passkey, mobile number, security question, password, and here as you can see guys, you're gonna find two-step verification. Protect your account by sending a code to your mobile phone each time you sign in. So if you want to enable 2FA, go ahead and click right here, then choose one of these two options. You can either use the text message or authenticator app. Go ahead and choose the option that suits you, and then if you choose, for example, a text message, go ahead and add your number, or if you choose authenticator app, go ahead and scan the QR code with your authenticator app. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.